Plague. Introduction. How can plague be spread? Choose one of the following options. 1. Flea bites. 2. Contact with infected tissue or body fluids. 3. Air droplets. 4. All of the above. Correct. Plague can be spread through flea bites, contact with infected tissue or body fluids, or droplets in the air. Jill has chills, a fever, and a headache. She has also been feeling weak. Should Jill contact a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Chills, fever, headache, and weakness may be signs of a problem. Jill should contact a healthcare provider. Can all kinds of plague be spread through the air? Select yes or no. Correct. Only pneumonic plague can be spread through the air. Plague is treated with antibiotics. Select true or false. Correct. Antibiotics are medicines that kill bacteria. You should avoid contact with wild animals to help prevent plague. Select true or false. Correct. You should also wear bug repellent while outside to reduce the risk of a flea bite. Thank you for using Explain.